So, coronavirus business interruption loans schemes. So, for short, CBILS, CBILS. So, at the moment, you can start to apply for one of these loans if your business has been interrupted. So, initially, you're supposed to go to your own bank and see if your own bank do it, but it's a bit of a complicated process and you have to be able to package it really, really well. If you're a very good, astute business person and you're very clear on where your income comes from, where your expenses go to, you can forecast, you can do cash flows, all those types of things, then obviously go and see your bank and see how you get on. Now, we as brokers can introduce you to commercial brokers that are geared up to help people apply for these. They do have a fee. Generally, they're about a 1% fee of whatever the loan is you're going to apply for. Now, the advantage of this is that they have got a much higher chance of packaging it properly for you to present to your own bank, because they can do that for you, or to another lender if you can't get access to your own bank's scheme, or your bank doesn't do them or is not on the system. So just to give you an idea, there has been, since they've been launched, there has been over 300,000 applications and only 26,000 of them have been paid out. Now, some of them will obviously have been rejected and shoved off to the side. Some of them will still be in a pile and still being dealt with. If you've not packaged it properly, I can guarantee it's been put to the bottom of the pile because it's a headache for everybody involved. So the main points on trying to establish one of these CBILS loans is they are for trading businesses. So it has to be, you have to have been trading, and it's not allowed to be from anything to do with letting, because you're not a letting company, it's not a trading company. So you need to show why you need this loan. You need to give details of how you've come to the size loan that you want, what you're going to do with it, how that you have to prove that you've looked at other options. So you've either furloughed your staff, you've applied for grants, you've set up payment plans, demonstrate how long it's going to take you to recover from this current situation, and demonstrate how you're changing things to adapt to how your current situation is. So you've got to demonstrate everything you're trying to do to keep your business afloat, basically. The sort of things you can't do is basically, if before the pandemic, if your business could have borrowed money, then it's likely you will qualify. If you didn't qualify for a loan, any loan, business loan, before this happened, then the likely chances you might get turned down. So you can't use it for things like to repay old debts. So if you owe HMRC a bill, those sorts of things, you can't use it for things like that. You have to prove you've got overheads. So for example, you've still got 20% of salaries to pay, you've still got rent to pay, rates to pay, all those sorts of things that you have to sort of calculate it all and put that in. You need to be able to get cash flow forecasts. Ideally, get one that shows under normal circumstances what your cash flow forecast is, and then show what it is under lockdown, basically. We have a list of all the documents that you will need, so things like bank statements, accounts. You might need to speak to your accountant to help you get some of these things. Again, that could incur another cost. So if you're unsure or would like to chat to somebody, then please do give us a call and we can hopefully point you in the right direction. Thank you.